Nutella Chocolate Paste Sachet Packaging Machine equipped piston filler for packing sacue, liquid, paste gel products etc. This machine is designed with 2 jacket tanks and 2 piston fillers. Customer can exchanging filler systems to filling different products or filling 2 products in 1 pouch at the same time. Chocolate paste shaped sachet packing machine are composed as below. 1. FBV 300 shaped sachet packing machines function. Forming, bag measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date, code printing. All the work automatically. 2. Jacket tank. Heating by electric, mixing. Temperature controller. 3. Piston pump. Dosing, filling, heating. Filling range is adjustable. For the PLC controller has the advantages such as setting the length of the bag. 5. Photoelectric and tracing system can be provided in this machine.